Hi, Talented Creators is an open challenge to show you our creativity. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka z9designs. I have put together some Christmas items that will make you go, wow, did she really do that? Keep watching for some unique Christmas treasures and let's delve into these interesting DIYs. DIY number one, a Christmas tree candle holder with bells. The supplies needed include 2 Christmas tree shaped candle holders, black spray paint, small gold bells, and some battery operated candles. That's all you need. If you don't have enough time to do extensive Christmas projects, this one is for you. Last year, I picked up some candlesticks from the dollar store or Dollar More store. I did not do anything with them at that time, but I thought I would upcycle them this year. So I took them outside and I sprayed them matte black. Then I had some tiny gold bells and thought it would be great on the branches of the tree. And I just strung them on the branches and I adhered them on each branch with some gold wire. So each tree has 6 bells. And then all you have to do is put battery operated candles inside and set it on your table. Now I set it on my table as a centerpiece and I think it looks so good and so modern. However, you can paint it any color and you don't have to put bells on it. You can maybe put something else on it. But I think the bells, the black and the gold, just really puts a new spin on it and I think is beautiful. DIY number 2, a modern angel. You know, I like modern things or things that look classic, and I do like some farmhouse, so I'm kind of all over the place sometimes. The supplies needed include a candle holder, E6000, Christmas ornament, gold spray paint, some wings, at least the pattern of the wings, wing template, aluminum foil, and hot glue. Now, you know, I've seen many angels and they're really fancy and they're very cute. And I will probably make one of those one of these days. But I wanted to do something different for the DIY angel. This is a modern angel for those of you who like that aesthetic. However, you can add to it at any time. Now, I started on this one last Christmas too, but Christmas came and it went, so I am going to complete it this year. I took a Dollar Tree candle holder and it was black and it had a flat top where you put a candle. Well, I removed the top of it and I had to use some pliers and kind of pull it off. And then for the head, I used a Christmas ornament. Since the candle holder was black and the Christmas ornament was another color, like I said, I did this last year, so I'm not even sure what color it was. But anyway, I decided it should be gold because angels are worth their weight in gold. Then I took some aluminum foil and used a template for the wings, which were also painted gold. And then I took hot glue and just adhered the wings to the back of the angel. And that's it. The angel is modern and beautiful. And like I said, you can add to it at any other time. I can put maybe a little white outfit on it if I so choose. Talented Creators is a really nice collaboration. We have the host, DIY with Aria, and Lowly D's Creations. And the guest host this time is Gazelle Creative Studio. This is a great collaboration to show others your talents. And these crafters are expert at making items using their creativity. And they have also been very helpful to us, kind of showing us their process and how they make their items. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. And the link to their channels is listed in the description box below. Other collaborators are using their talents to wow you, so be sure to subscribe to their channels. Give them that thumbs up and some encouraging words. And the playlist is in the description box below. Okay, here we go with number 3, Trash to Treasure Bells. Well, I really like bells, and bells are very, very popular this year. The supplies needed for this one include pop cans, E6000, metal ribbon from Dollar Tree, chiffon ribbon from Joann Fabric, wooden sticks, hot glue, rub and buff, wire, some heavy-duty scissors. You're going to need those scissors to cut the pop can, so make sure you wear gloves or protect yourself so you don't get cut. And then some metal rings. I got those from Lowe's. So I had some pop cans and thought these would make some cute bells. So I took out my heavy-duty scissors and I began to cut around the can. And I wanted one larger than the other. I didn't want them to be the same size. So I cut one lower, and I think I used 2 different pop cans. So here's how to put it together. I took the indented part of the can, so I cut around it. I flipped it over and put it on top of the can to shape the bell. So it's kind of rounded like most bells are that you see in your high-end stores. And it was glued to the top with E6000 for some good adherence, because you don't want it to fall apart. Next, I used a metal ring that fit the top of the can so it would look a little balanced. If you use a really big ring, it might look kind of crazy, so I found one that fit the can. And I just glued that to the top with E6000, and I just let it dry. I used metal ribbon from the Dollar More store and E6000 glue around the bottom of the can. I haven't seen it lately, but it's in Dollar Tree or Dollar More store. I just used clamps after I put the E6000 on to make sure that it would not move while it was drying. And once I was sure it was dry, then I removed the clamp. And then I took it out to spray it gold. After it was dry, I used my trusty old rub and buff on the bells. But you know, most bells have ringers now, and the ringers go inside the bell. So I used a little bit of real thin rope, and then I used some metal wire to kind of wrap around it so that it would move. Then it was time to decide what type of ribbon to use on the top opening. I thought it needed something light and airy, so I opted for some chiffon ribbon, which I made. I purchased it from Joann Fabrics, and then I cut it in strips. Now, it's okay if it frays because that just adds to the character of the bells. So let me know what you think of this unique set of bells. It is my favorite. I just love it. And you know, I appreciate all of your support. I want to thank you for subscribing. I would love to have more subscribers. I would love to have you join my family. And if you've liked my DIYs, please join the fun. I read all of your comments and I comment on them. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate all of my subscribers and those who are thinking about joining. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and you can join this joyful family. And remember, if you know Jesus, you know joy. This is from me. See you later. Bye.